Hey guys, today we talk about the psychology of time. Have you ever noticed the childhood summer felt endless, yet now entire year disappear in what feels like the week? Times had not changed, you clock still tick normally. The surprising difference lies inside your brain and how it's experience memories every day. As childhood, almost everything is brand new, everything birthday, everything school trip, toy, and adventure creates fresh memories because your brain records so many unique experiences. Looking back, make those years seem incredibly long, rich, exciting, and unforgettable forever. Your brain pays extra attention whenever something is unfamiliar, meeting new friends, visiting unknown places, or learning exciting skills, forcing your mind to work harder. The extra attention creates stronger memories, making these memories feel much longer afraid. As we grow older, many days become predictable. Wake up, work, eat, scroll your phone, sleep, then repeat. Because fewer unique memories are created, your brain compresses those similar days together, making months seem surprisingly short in hindsight. Time does not actually speed up. Instead, your memory changes how long events seem afterwards. Days packed with meaningful experience leave many memories behind, while repetitive days leaves only a few, making entire week feel almost invisible when remembered. Imagine two vacations lasting exactly 1 week. One is fulfilled with adventure, the other say inside the same hotel. Looking back the later, the adventurous trip feels much longer because your brain stored far more unforgettable memories. Forget it. When you are 5 years old, 1 year is 20% of your entire life. At 50 years old, 1 year becomes 2%. Your brain normally compares time against your whole lifetime, making years seem progressively shorter. Adult often juggle responsible bills and endless decisions. When your attention constantly jump between tasks, you become less aware of passing moment. Without focused awareness, time quickly slip away before you even notice it's happening. Children often become completely absorbed in simple activities, building sandless, chasing butterflies, or watching clouds fills their entire attention. Living fully is the present stretches each experience, making even ordinary afternoon feel wonderfully long and meaningful. So, if routine makes it disappear, could changing your daily experience make life feel longer again? Scientists believe the answer is yes, and surprisingly, a few simple habits can completely transform how your brain experiences time every day. Your brain constantly saves energy by recognizing familiar pattern. Once a shooting becomes routine, it needs less attention to process it. While this makes everyday life easier, it also creates fewer memorable moments, making time seems to accelerate unexpectedly. Then about your first day at school or your first aeroplane flight, those memories remain crystal clear because your brain treated them as important. Discover first time experience naturally feel longer than event you repeated hundred of times before. Modern technology keeps our attention constantly switching. Endless notifications, short videos, messaging, and scrolling reduce mindful moments. When every horse becomes filled with distraction, entire days can disappear before your brain fully notice they even happen. Vacations after feel short while you are enjoying them, yet months later they seem surprisingly long in memory. That's because exciting plays unfair people and new adventure creates rich memories that scratch your perception when looking back afterward. School introduce new lesson, classmates, challenges, and experience almost every week. Each demand learning something different. The constant stream of novelty filled with memory and detail, making childhood year appears much longer than similar adult routine afternoon. Physiologists have discovered that attention strongly influence our sense of time. When you are fully focused, movement become richer and easier to remember. When you are distracted, our rushing, your brain records fewer detail, making them seem surprisingly shorter later. Something as simple as talking different routes, trying new food, or learning a small skills can refresh your brain. Tiny changes can create memories, making ordinary week feel more interesting, meaningful, and surprisingly longer than before. Curiosity keeps your brain awake and engaged, asking questions, exploring unfamiliar ideas, and noticing small details encourage deeper memory formation. Curious people often experience richer life because they actively pay attention to the world around them every day. Your memories become the building block of your life. Every meaningful conversation, adventure, challenges, and achievement adds another chapter. The more unique chapter your brain records, the fuller and longer your life feels when remembered afterward. The goal is not showing clock, the chasing extra hours, it filling your day with moments worth remembering. When your brain collects meaningful experience instead of endless repetition, life naturally feels richer, fuller, and beautifully longer in hindsight. Want life to feel longer? Start by trying something you have never done before. Learn a language, cook a new recipe, explore a nearby park, or meet someone new. Every fresh experience teaches your brain that today truly mature and count. Many beautiful moments disappear because our minds are somewhere also. Slow down and notice the sound, colors, smells, and people around them. Paying attention transforms ordinary experience into lasting memories. Learning does not end after school. Reading books, practicing instructions, solving puzzles, or discovering science challenges your brain. Every new skills build fresh connecting, making your days and more exciting and filling your memory with meaningful experience that truly last. The memories we remember most often involve people we care about. Sharing laughter, conversation, celebrates, and adventure creates emotional memories. Strong emotions helps your brain pressure experience, making those chapters of life feel vivid and beautifully unforgettable forever. You don't need expensive vacation to create unforgettable memories. Visiting a nearby town, walking through a different neighbors, or exploring a local museum introduce your brain to novelty, making even ordinary weekends feel roughly and long memorable afterward. Writing a journal, taking thought photos, or reflecting before bedtime strengthens memories. Revising meaningful experience helps your brain organize them or more clearly, making your personal timeline feel fuller instead of blending together into a long routine. Even ordinary days contain unique detail if you choose to notice them. A colorful sunset, kind conversation, unexpected smile, or delicious meal become another memory. Small moments collected together quite shape how long your life eventually feel inside memory. Scientists continue studying how attention, novelty, emotion, and memory work together, although many mysteries remain. Research consistently shows that meaningful experience shape our perception of time far more than clock ever could not their on alone. Perhaps the greatest secret is not adding years to life, it's adding lives to year. By staying curious, embracing changes, and creating meaningful memories, you make every chapter feel richer, deeper, and wonderfully more memorable than before. Time moves at the same speed for everyone, but your memory decide how long your journey feel. So explore, learn, laugh, and stay curious. Feel every day with moments worth remembering, and life may feel beautifully longer than you imagined. Thanks for watching this video. Please do keep like, subscribe, and share.